Welcome back. In this video, we are going to compute loan repayment method in C++. As usual, the algorithm first and then the code. So, let's simplify. Some banks in the country use a very complicated way of granting loans. For example, if a customer applies for a loan of 1,000 cedis at an interest rate of 15% over a period of 18 months for repayment, the interest is calculated as 1,000 times 0.15 times 1.5 to give 225 cedis. The interest is immediately deducted from the face value of 1,000, leaving the customer with only 775 cedis. Repayment is made in equal installments based on the face value. So the monthly loan payment will be 1,000 divided by 80 months, which is 55.56 cedis. The method of calculation would have been fair if the customer was actually looking for a loan of 775, but the customer received 775 instead of 1,000. Devise a computer solution based on the above method that will ensure that if a customer wants a loan of 1,000 cedis in his or her pocket, he applies for an amount that will give him or her exactly that. Thus, your computer solution should read as input the amount a user wants in his or her pocket, the repayment period, and interest rate. The output should be the total loan and the monthly installment to the algorithm. So we are going to take the amount the user actually wants in his or her pocket. So we say input the principal, which is the amount the user actually wants. Then we ask the user to also input the interest rate and also the time, that's the period, the repayment period, which will be in months. So the time in months. We are going to convert this time in months to years. So we say years equals time in months divided by 12, which gives us the time in years. Now from the question, we calculate or we compute for the interest rate by 1,000 times 0.5 times 1.5, which is the same as, which gives us the interest rate to be principal times the interest rate times the years. Now, because we are talking about interest rate, which is a rate over a percentage, we divide by 100. Now, the total loan that the user actually is supposed or the customer is supposed to take is going to be the principal plus the interest. Now, this way, if the bank takes away the interest, the user or the customer will still get the principal, which is the actual amount he or she wants in the pocket. So when we have the principal plus the interest, and the bank takes away the interest, then the customer still gets the principal, which is the amount he wants. So the loan or the total loan for the customer is going to be the principal, which is the amount he or she wants, plus interest. Now, how much is the customer going to pay every month? It's going to be the monthly loan repayment equals the amount, which is the total loan, divided by the time in months. So this is going to give us the monthly equal installments until till the time in months. So from there, we print that the total loan is equal to the amount, which is the principal plus the interest. Then the monthly installment is going to be the monthly loan repay. All right, friends. So this is going to solve the problem and then ensure that the customer always takes the amount he or she wants. But the condition is that he or she will take that amount plus interest. Let's convert this to code in C++. So I declare my doubles. Then I ask the user to input the principal, the interest rate, and then the time in months. Then I convert the time in months to years by dividing it by 12. Then I compute for the interest rate. Then I compute the total loan, which is the amount, that is the principal plus the interest. Then I compute for the monthly installment, which is going to be the total loan divided by the time in months. Then I inline. Then I create a very beautiful table which holds the total loan, the amount, and then the monthly installments. Now to see how beautiful it is, let's run our code. So I end my code, the system post, then return 0. Let's run the code. I'll input some values and then we see how it looks. So I want to take a loan of 1,000 cedis at an interest rate of 15, and I think I'll finish paying within 18 months. So the total loan the bank is going to give me is going to be 1,000 cedis plus an interest of 225. So giving me a total loan of 1,225, and I'm supposed to pay this in equal installments every month. which is 68.0556. So I'll be paying this amount every single month until the 8 months period. Alright friends, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, Apatia!